Okay, another one of the loose ends that I've got to get done is getting these saw guides in place. These two blocks I've had soaking in oil for 2 or 3 weeks now, and I had them to where they fit before the oil, and I don't know if they're will have swelled up at all, so we'll give them a try here. I may have to trim them down a little bit more if they swell up with that oil. Oh, no, they didn't swell up. Perfect. Guess it would help if I'd go the right direction. Okay, another step forward. Good morning, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. I've got some odds and ends I'm going to get done up here on the sawmill. On this belting, I broke down and went and bought some belting, and one of the subscribers suggested I try Knoxville rubber. And so I called them, and they're really nice people. They set me up with exactly what I need, and so they hopefully got it shipped yesterday, and I'll be getting it here in a few days. But anyway, part of the odds and ends I want to get done is I got to get all this rust cleaned off these pulleys so it'll slip easier. And so I have got, this is off of my belt grinder. Whenever I break a belt on that belt grinder, I always save them because they work so good for just like a great big emery cloth. But the way it looks here, I think if I start that power plant up and I can stand back here and hold on to this thing, and I can get Mary to engage that PTO and spin that shaft, that'll do a really good job. I wouldn't dare get up and around that, close to that, putting this around it with it spinning, but if I'm standing back like this, I think I'll be fine safety wise. Anyway, that's one of the projects I got to get done today. So I got this all set up here. Mary's gonna help me turn it on so I don't have to get around that spinning shaft. Push it forward. Okay, it's polishing it. I'm gonna move to this one. I'm gonna have to. Okay. That's working. I just got to get a little bit coarser grit on that sandpaper. This is real fine grit and it's all wore out, so I just got to do it some more and get that down, but it's working good. You can see that high spot in the middle is worked all the way through all of the rust on it. Anyway, I'll just keep working on this, and thanks for watching.